Do you want to make browsing faster and more convenient in Samsung Internet? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes several navigation features that can help you move around web pages more easily. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Internet. Tap the three dots at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Tap Webpage View and Scrolling. Here you will find several useful options. Go to top button. When enabled, Samsung Internet will show a button that lets you instantly jump back to the top of a web page. This is especially useful on long web pages. Go to bottom button. When enabled, your phone will add a button that lets you quickly jump to the bottom of a web page without scrolling manually. Next, pull down to refresh web pages. When this option is turned on, simply swipe down from the top of a web page to refresh it. This is a quick and convenient way to reload content. For this example, let's enable all three options. Now, let's see how they work. Open a web page. First, scroll down a little. You will see go to top button. Tap it to instantly return to the top of the page. Next, tap the go to bottom button to jump to the bottom of a web page. Finally, you can swipe down from the top of the page. The web page will refresh automatically. This feature can help you navigate web pages more quickly and efficiently. And that's how you make browsing easier in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.